Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying source and target schema differences so you know what changed and why. Once done, enable schema drift detection or sample records to capture new columns and types. Then create an ADF pipeline using mapping data flow or copy activity and point it at your sources. Make sure to parameterize file paths and table names so you can iterate quickly. This prevents manual edits for each new schema version. Next, you implement the middle transformations. Use mapping data flow to project incoming columns and apply type conversions where necessary. Once you detect a type or nullability change, add conditional logic to cast safely and provide defaults so downstream jobs don't fail. Make sure to parameterize your mappings and update any schema registry or metadata table so the flow adapts. This keeps changes consistent and traceable across environments and deployments. Finally, deploy your updated pipeline through CI/CD and update the metadata registry so consumers know the new schema. Once deployed, run validation tests and, if data missed, perform incremental backfills with the updated mapping. If something breaks, check ADF mapping drift logs and type conversion error details first. They reveal mismatched columns or unexpected nulls. Make sure to roll back or apply a hotfix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.